Choliya Pulao recipe. Till end watch video. 1 onion slice. Ghee 1 cup. Onion light brown. Add to tomato slice and ginger garlic paste. Darchini, long, bari ilachi, and badian fool. 0.1 tablespoon. Chinese salt half tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Pickle 1 tablespoon. Salt according to taste. Half cup water and mix it well. Add Cholia / green chana 300 gram. Add potato 100 gram. Add coriander powder 1 tablespoon. 1 cup yogurt. Mix it well and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add water as required. Add 3-4 green chili, cover it, cooked for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add soggy rice. Cover for 20 minutes, low flame. After 20 minutes, wow, yummy! Like, share, and subscribe. Yummy! Thanks for watching.